presenters now because there's very little time. There's only 15 minutes. I apologize to you. We've been, getting so interested and so many questions. There's a real danger of you all losing out on lunch, and we have to get out at 2:45 because there is another session here. There are some sticky notes in front of you. Please give your feedback on that. Okay? So we won't have time to get your feedback.
Thank you. I'm not really sure if I will be getting more time or not, but then I'll try and be as quick as I can.
Oh, no, you don't try, you do it.
I would, for sure.
Are there any other presenters here? Okay, great. So
I think
go
I'm
ahead,
good.
go ahead.
Okay.
Is there one? There
I
isn't
don't think
anyone.
so. There is nobody
okay.
here, right?
So,
Okay, so first of all, a very good afternoon to all of you. I represent IndiaHeartbeat.com, which is the world first medical networking interface. It is built on 2.0 that interconnects medical practitioners, hospitals, path labs, and patient on one platform. So the common features of the website are that you can search and connect. So if you go onto the website and see, so you'll find the first feature is search. So you can search physicians, specialists, hospital, diagnostic center, pharmacist, or service provider, and at the same time you can connect with them. You can interact and communicate. So when I say you can connect with them, you can interact using private emails, messenger, live chats, blogs, Scrap. You can participate in groups and discussion forums which are there on the website. And at the same time, we focus on sharing a rich knowledge amongst the users. So you can create and share medical articles, news, you can upload pictures, videos, and share with other people who are there on the website. And in fact, the added advantage is the patient can even upload their records, their medical histories, their records, and share it with the connected doctors. And so thereon, it leads to the professional networking and online communication. So it is one platform wherein you can have professional networking and an online communication platform. Comprehensive patient acquisition and engagement. So once you're a user there, let's suppose if you're a doctor and you're there, so you can connect with your patient, you can have a better and refined relationship with him because you're talking to him on and off basis. And not only that, you're engaging them for further treatments. Referral marketing and opportunities, that's a great opportunity for all the professional, I would say, because in India, I can't, if I'm an orthopedic surgeon, I can't say, oh, I'm an orthopedic, why don't you come to me? I'll treat you. Can't be possible. So this is one platform that actually provides you a commercialization of your practice. And of course, you bring in more business and marketing opportunity by the referrals. Enhance patient care and medical evolution, which I already mentioned. Increasing accessibility and bypassing spatial constraint. Now, if I'm sitting out here in Delhi, I can go to any doctor. I can search doctors pan-India because we have a huge group of doctors, patient, hospital, labs, and allied healthcare services. Resource centralization and medical record mobility. So you can, as I said, you can upload your records and share it with everybody around. Knowledge dissemination and professional development, because you're sharing a lot of knowledge with each other. So of course you're expanding your knowledge, you're sharing your thoughts out with other people who are there on the site. Oh, uniqueness and impact. Trust me, we've been here since yesterday and people are coming to us and asking us that how you guys are unique and different. And I say that it's the only platform that not only includes physician, patient, but includes everybody. So you as a user, you're free to register under one umbrella. You'll find everybody, doctors, hospital, labs, path labs, emergency service providers, etc. So we provide need of an hour. I mean, we believe in creating a medical nation first, aiming to provide credible and timely information to the users, in-depth reference material about the healthcare subject, since Mr. Meja really mentioned that healthcare is a very sensitive issue and you can't really afford to play with it, right? So we provide the in-depth reference material about the health subjects, about the sensitive issues, of course, because doctors upload a lot of videos. And if you go onto the website and find the language is layman. I mean, it's very easy to understand. There are no medical jargons being used. It is very easy. So it is like patient and user-centric site. Authentic and valuable health information. We are growing at a meteoric phase. When we started the organization in 2009, we did not want to take a risk, so we probably started with Pan-India. We were not specific for the specialities or the geography, so we started Pan-India. In 50 days, we had around 8,000 plus registered users, and if you look at the database today we have 55,000 plus doctors, about 1 lakh monthly visitors, about 30,000 institute, and 25,000 patients, which I believe is a great number to achieve in, probably 3 years, 4 years down the line. And of course, we're covering about 1,700 cities, 1,700 places in India. So when we started, it was only for 126 places that we covered, but by the time today, we have around 1,700 places that we've covered so far. Rating and reviews, this is one of our added advantage, because patients and people are here to write their rate. They can rate a doctor, they can write their reviews. So once I'm a user, if I want to make my healthcare decision, so I can just go through the reviews, find the rating of the doctor, and probably, then choose whatever suits my pocket. The best part is once you go onto any of the profile, there are a lot of packages, there are a lot of pricing which are mentioned there. So if I'm a doctor, I will mention my consultation charges. So if I can afford it, I'll go to the doctor. If I can't, I could probably look for other options. As a matter of fact, if you all know, let's suppose if a doctor prescribed you to go for an X-ray, so you'll find out that probably your nearest X-ray store may charge you around 150 rupees for one X-ray. But if you go to Star Lab or any known labs, so they'll ask you for 500 and maybe more. So we believe in building equilibrium within the people and affordability. So if I can afford it, I can go. So I am just trying to be so quick. So we believe that you go online and get digital. About 1/3 of our users go online to chat and use search feature to find fellow patient and discuss their condition. So we make sure that people are emotionally connected, because if you have some kind of disease, more than a treatment, you need moral support, you need a motivation. So that's what we bring across. We have a forum wherein patient can interact with each other and share their real-time experiences with each other. Out of the box, of course, okay, I think most of us, I don't know, that was a flop movie, I guess. Chennai Express did not gain much of the reviews and ratings, but then there was a dialogue, very famous dialogue by Shah Rukh Khan, power of a common man. So we give a power of choice to our patient. So we have a power of choice which you can certainly use because you have options. So when you have options, so sky's the limit for you. So you can reach most effective and ideal specialists in a matter of seconds. Beyond the boundaries, here I'm talking about the accessibility of reach from the patient point of view. Okay, last but not the least, in the 4 years down the line, as I said, our current database is about 55,000 registered physicians and 1 lakh patients and users. So we are in 2014 planning to acquire 0.5 million users, and by 2017 we are aiming at reaching 5 million users. To achieve that, of course, there would be a lot of BTL and ATL activities, which would certainly include email blasting, telemarketing, SEO, SEM, and of course, mass campaigning on TV, radio, television. We will be, we'll have a lot of ECME, webinars, podcasting, and of course, we'll be, launching our sponsored channels and via DTH and WAS services. So we will be using all the technological uses, probably whether you talk about mobile services, whether you talk about internet or digital. So this is what our plan is. And before I leave, I would like to bring on that we already have a program wherein we have 10,000 plus registered doctors, wherein we highlight the issues faced by women. So it is like women healthcare centric, wherein we educate doctors through tele-detailing and e-detailing and tell them the contraception measures, the ways of contraception and the usage of contraceptive products. We even highlight the issue of cervical cancer, which is very common in these days. And of course, the fertility, infertility. So anything to do with women healthcare, we've been highlighting that during, using that particular program and platform through e-detailing and tele-detailing. So I think I was really quick, so. Just
Great.
Okay, I think that's all. Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Doctor database
Yeah.
is registered by the doctor with their consent, or it is
No, we don't force anybody to register to us. We have registered doctors who've been registered themselves. To acquire the registered base, we've done a lot of email marketing, probably sharing of advertisement, a lot of things. So they are with their consent. You're talking about the registered base versus the active base? About 50% of a user are active because we have a very focused marketing strategy. I mean, for doctors, we have certain kind of features which are, very centric for the doctors, like webinars. We have campaigns which are dedicated for the patients. Like recently, we had, as I said, we had a cervical cancer campaign, which is for the patient-centric. So we tried and bring in more of patients, which are preferably females, because that was female centric program. So likewise, we have certain programs and features on the website which are specific for every user. So that's how we drive traffic every month. I mean, they do come on to the website every month.
E-detailing service, are you trying to do the work of the PRs?
No, not really. No, not at all. Not at all. We have a tie-up. See, everybody's here to make money. When I say it's a free portal, we work on a freemium model, no doubt, we do that. But at the end of it, there has to be a business model. As I said, everyone out here, they have the same question. What is your business model? So are we guys trying to tell each other that we don't have any business model and we're not here to earn money? Of course not. We'll be faking, right? So the right answer is that we have a tie-up, or we already have tie-ups with some MNC pharmacies who've been backing up for the materials and for the campaigns. And that's what our plans is going forward, because we'll be, probably matching up with the hospitals, and path labs will be offering their discounts. So advertising is one of our, module wherein we are earning income from, but then that will be the add-on things that we'll be doing.
One very
So we're not doing PRs.
simple question.
Sure.
We have 899 million mobile users in India.
Oh, yeah.
356 million are rural.
Right.
545 are urban.
Right.
Why are you aiming at 5 million in 2017
Well, if you look at
in
it,
your roadmap?
in-
Such a small figure.
No, in 2016, we will be going for Rural Connect, because see, I'll tell you what, the biggest challenge when you go out to the rural is educating them. So we'll have to have a proper team who will be going to them and training them on the use of internet, and then they'll be going on the website.
Mega, this
Yes.
is 2013.
I
We
know,
are talking about 2017.
right?
Within last 2 years,
Yes,
the subscription of mobile users has
Yeah.
gone up by 35%.
agree.
Why are you aiming at 5 million?
I'll
In
probably,
2017, that too. When we will have more
See,
than
I,
I mean, everybody will have 2 mobiles.
honestly, I wanted to be realistic, so that's an honest answer. So
You are too realistic.
So I would be aiming for high.
My
don't
urge
worry.
is think big. This is going to be future.
Yeah.
Thinking about 5 million, you can put it at least 500 million.
Sure. I'll certainly do that. And that's the reason I mentioned 4G, assuming that 4G is already in place, I guess. So
You
yeah.
don't know, 2017 could be 7G.
Yeah.
Last 1 year it has gone from 1 to 4G, isn't it?
Yeah.
So,
I wish I could add that
Technology is
too.
advancing like anything. Roadmap should be realistic. I don't deny that fact,
Yeah.
but at the same time, I am finding it too small.
No. In fact, we have better plans, so don't worry. I mean, this is like just to give you a picture that this is what we'll be doing going forward.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Yes, sir. Anybody?
Yeah.
Quick bite.
Yeah, please, because I think
I have to say this because otherwise I'll be cheating upon a lot of volunteers and donors.
No problem.
Either I am a faker, or you have to believe that people in health may not be interested in making money.
Oh, yeah, of course. I mean, no offenses at all. I just made a statement. I mean, because we are here.
I realized it to everybody. I wanted to defend the small group of people who are there just to help people who don't want
You
to.
see, there are
Trust me, all my thoughts are with you.
there are
I really appreciate the
always
idea.
like that. There's always like that. She never meant you or anybody in particular. Healthcare is something which is emotional. Few select people do it. Everybody is not doing it. Okay, so, but certain business models are, initially they make the site so that people want to use it, then they have to pay to use it. That is an expected model. She didn't mention, she mentioned pharmacies when you start the business model more elaborately, and she did not mention path labs very coolly. In fact, that is the one major chunk she is going to get. Anyways, that is a separate part. I'm just elaborating in some silent points what she mentioned. Wonderful, Megha. You're doing good work.
Thank you. I really would like to thank you for supporting me.
Yeah, it's okay. I mean, but think big. Yeah, you're thinking too small. 5 million
would
is not a number
probably-
I'm looking at. Okay.
So let's meet after lunch. So we'll
Yeah.
think of a good number.
Yeah, surely.